Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiko and I'm back with a video. So what is up? I know it's been some time, but today I have a new video for you guys. I am going to be showing you this wig. I am excited because I have not reviewed this wig on my channel yet. This company did reach out to me and I was super excited because I always try to find something new that I haven't shown you guys before, and this is a wig that I am hearing for the first time ever. It's called the Ipart wig, as you see it in the title. So I don't know if anybody's ever tried one of those wigs, but today I'll be trying the Ipart wig, and the company that sent me this hair is called ILikeHairWig.com. Don't forget the .com, period. Cool. This company sent me this wig. I love the box and the packaging. It is so nice. It reminds me of Hermes. You are familiar with that company, but I thought this was really cute. I have not purchased from this company before and I've not tried their hair before, so this will be a first time for me as well. So if you are joining my channel today, we're both testing it out together, girl. So don't worry, before you spend your money, I will show you guys how it looks, how it works, and if it's worth it. And even though they sent me this wig, I will still give you my 100% honesty. Do not worry. So let's just jump right into it. The wig that they sent me, I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see how it looks. This is my first time opening it up, so I haven't seen what it looks like. They have this card in here and it says, "Hi, I'm what you've been waiting for. I'm what you have been waiting for." So booyah. And then on the back it says, "Share your first hair journey with I Like Hair Wig, and you can join to win $20. So they give you the instructions, and they have all of their social media sites on here as well. Their Instagram, their Facebook, their email, and also their YouTube. So you can check them out if you haven't seen them before. Now, ooh, this is kind of cute. Okay, now I love when companies give you free stuff. So let me look at that first before we go into this wig. But we got some free stuff in here, y'all. Okay, so they gave me a comb with a tail. I could always use these. I just feel like I either break the tail off or I can't find the comb, so this is perfect. I love rat tail combs. And then they gave me a cute little bag. It also has their logo on it. And of course, you know, a lot of companies send you the wig cap. I have like a whole bunch of these. So thank you so much. They sent me a new wig cap. An eyebrow, like the comb and brush. They also gave me some hair clips, which I can use because I need some new hair clips. They sent 2 of those. They also gave me a pair of tweezers if you want to pluck your wig. I don't know how to pluck, so I'll just probably use that for my eyebrows or something like that. And then they also gave me a satin. Ooh, I'm gonna love this. Oh my god. This is I think it's a shower cap though. I don't think it's the one you sleep in because it has that, like, the material in here. So they gave me a shower cap, which my kids are always losing my shower caps, so I can never find them. But I am loving this little freebie bag. I don't know if it comes with everybody's bag, but yes, I hope it does because this is amazing. Alright, so let's get into this hair because I don't want to make this video that long. I want to get out of real tea real quick. So this is what the hair looks like. Wait, let me take this net off. This is cute, y'all. So the thing about these Ipart wigs, so they say, is that no glue, no lace. You don't need to leave out your hair, and you don't have to do like a thin hair leave out. So that's awesome. Now I want to tell you the reason why that's awesome, because before I did my big chop years ago, I used to have a problem where you do the leave outs for the sew-ins, and then when you start flat ironing your hair, you start breaking your hair off. So I started breaking off the middle piece of my hair, and then I said, okay, I'm not gonna do the middle parts anymore, I'm gonna do the side parts. And I started breaking off pieces of my hair on the side parts with the flat ironing. So this will be perfect if you don't wanna damage your hair while wearing a wig or a sew-in. So like I said before, no lace, no glue, no leave out. I don't like leave out because my hair texture is natural. I'm 4C, so this will be perfect for me. When I say no lace, it doesn't have like a lace. It's not like a lace wig like we usually wear, like I have on here, and I can show you when I switch it out. Oh, so they got mega combs in here. Okay, so they made sure they secured you with 4 combs here, 2 on the side, 1 on the back, and also a band. So we are good to go. If you're gonna get in a fight or whatever, you don't have to worry about your wig falling off. Honey, these combs are gonna keep it in, okay? So this is an 18-inch wig, curly wig. This was perfect. I wanna see if this really works. That's the part that I am intrigued about. That this is also a wig on my hair. This is from Saved by Tori, so you guys can check her out. But this one is a lace wig, so there is a lace under here. When I say lace, you guys can see that's what a lace is. This one doesn't have a lace. When I take it off, I'll show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. Okay, so I took this wig off. And when I say lace, this is what a lace means. When they say no lace, this wig doesn't have a lace. This is what a lace will look like for my girls who probably don't wear wigs often. So that's why I'm breaking it down. If you wear wigs, then don't worry about that. You already know what it is. But this is what a lace means. So this one has no lace, and it's supposed to be true to your roots. So it's supposed to look like 99 to 100% just like your hair. Now I have these braids in, these 2-part gel braids, because I just took a glued down wig off, and hopefully it works with these wigs. So I mean these braids. So I'm gonna test it out and see how it goes. I'm gonna put it on camera for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so I don't know. Let me see. We're doing this together, so don't judge me, okay? Let me see how this go. Okay, I got a big forehead, so oh no, honey. Let's do a circle. So I'm gonna put this first one here in there. I can't see, so I hope I'm doing this right. And then I'm gonna put the second one on the same braid, but I'm gonna clip it down and then snap it. Okay, that's snapped. Now I'm gonna go use this braid over here, the second braid next to that one. And I'm gonna continue with the back clip. I'm just going around in a circle. Is this one open? Okay, and then last clip, I'm gonna put it in here, as you can see, and then I'm gonna snap that down. So this is what it looks like here. And I had a part already, so that's my imaginary part, you could say. All right. And then I gotta make sure the back is secure, so I'm gonna put those clips in. Where's my band? Okay, my band is there. The band is a little bit loose, but I have a very small head, so you can't really go by what my head looks like. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. I have a huge forehead, so don't mind that. The wig is on correctly. So I'm gonna just do this a little bit so I can make the forehead look a little bit smaller. But this is what the hair looks like. It's giving me Diana Ross vibes, and I'm loving it. I love big hair, especially around winter time, because it'll, you know, you could wear it in the winter. When it's summer, it's too hot to be doing all of that. I combed it out. I don't even think you need to put much product on it, and that's why I like it. And yeah. So now, this is the part down the middle. This is the part down the middle for this hair. There are different ways you could probably wear this. I'm loving the texture of it. Like, it feels very soft. It doesn't have a smell. Like, you know how they say, ooh, the hair smell like something. I don't know what that something is, but you always see people saying the hair smell, but it doesn't have a hair smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how it looks as a side part, being that I have a colossal forehead, for all of my girls with the big foreheads. But yeah, so this is how it looks as a part down the middle. Very Diana Ross vibes, and then you could either flip it back too, because you can't even tell that, you know. But this is how the part looks. So remember, I already had a part down the middle. So I would say probably you can either do your braids going back, or you could do the ones that go like this way, so that way you'll have a part. But if you do the braids that go this way, you won't be able to change the part up. So it'll probably be better if you just do the braids going back. Now I'm gonna unclip, and I'm gonna switch it to the side so I can see how it looks as a side part. The combs don't hurt at all. Like, I don't feel it. I guess you just gotta make sure you put it in, like gently. So now we're gonna go to another side over here. I'm gonna try this braid here. So I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna go around in a circle. Sorry. It's too early for that. Okay, so I am going to clip. Ooh, this one I want to clip. Hold on, y'all. Okay, this looks a little bit better than the other way. I would probably rock it like this because, oh, okay. Yeah, that is so much better. Oh my God, wait. I will rock it this way because of my forehead. So I probably should have showed y'all this way first. But at least you got to see two different ways to wear it. And I'm sure it's like multiple ways you can wear this. But I would probably go with this style instead of the part down the middle because it covers up the problem. I couldn't find my spray bottle, so I just went to the sink and wet it myself, and it looks 1,000 times better when it's wet. Like, I thought you have to wet it, you guys. You have to wet it so it doesn't look dry. It is gonna shed, but it's curly hair, okay? It's 2022, curly hair is gonna shed. I don't know what curly hair you're gonna find that's not gonna shed, but yes, it does like have like a little bit, but this is only because I was rubbing my hands through the hair. I did like a little bit of manipulation, but it wasn't a lot. I just wet it and I went like this so I can get the water through the entire hair because it is big. And I also sprayed my part a little bit so it doesn't look ashy. It was a little rusty up there, but I love it. If I wasn't getting my hair done tomorrow, I would definitely wear this hair for Christmas. Like, I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. It's full. The hair feels so soft. And I'm not just saying that. The hair feels super, super soft. It doesn't smell. Like, I love it. This is definitely a go. I will rate this wig at I will only say, I'm going to say an 8.59. Just because of those clips. Like, if we can get some snapping clips, at least one in the back, I will be just excited. But other than that, like, this wig is everything. If you want to, you can also probably put like a leave-in conditioner a tiny bit, or like a curling cream when you do rub your fingers through it, so it can still give you that definition, but you don't want to put too much because you don't want to mess up the texture of the hair. So you can use any type of braids. I didn't have to do like that whole U-part thing. I just put it on top of my braids that I already had. But yeah, so you can get you some cornrows. Even though if you don't know how to do cornrows, you could probably do some twists going to the back. You could clip it in. Remember, it has the 4 clips here to secure it. But I'm loving it. I am definitely probably going to go ahead and buy the body wave wig because this is something that I need. I need something like this. So you guys, let me know what you think about it. If you try the Ipart wig, I want to know because I wish I knew about this a long time ago. Like, I don't have to do leave out. Let me know if you guys know if you've tried an Ipart wig, if you're going to try it. Have you purchased from this company before? What are you thinking? What do you think about the hair? Do you guys like it? I love it. So just let me know what you guys think. And I'm not just saying that. I will tell y'all straight up what I think. But I will be rocking this like an everyday look. I could just clip it right quick and keep it going. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if there's any other wig that you would like me to review. And if you are a hair company, please reach out. I'm still doing reviews for the rest of the year. And I'll be excited to go into 2022 rocking some new wigs. So just reach out to your girl. All of my information is in the description below. Don't forget to shop with RT Key Collection. It's www.rtkey.com. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more coming soon. But make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. You guys have a good Christmas and a happy New Year. Stay safe. Peace.